Linksys Router Configuration Step by Step. Step 1. Unbox and connect the router. Plug in the router to power and connect it to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Connect your device to the router. Use a wired Ethernet connection or connect to the default Wi-Fi network, SSID and password on router label. Step 3. Open the router's web interface. In a browser, type 192.168.1.1, or as mentioned in the manual, and press Enter. Step 4. Log into the router. Use the default username and password, often admin, for both. Check the manual or router label. Step 5. Change the default login credentials. Navigate to the admin settings and set a new, secure username and password to protect access. Step 6. Save your settings. Click Save or Apply to ensure all changes are updated. Step 7. Reboot the router. Restart the router for the new settings to take effect. Step 8. Test the connection. Connect a device to the Wi-Fi or Ethernet and check for internet access. Step 9. Enable security features. Enable firewall, guest network, or parental controls as needed for added security. Step 10. Update the firmware. Check for firmware updates in the admin panel and update to the latest version if available.